Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add Perplexity, Claude and ChatGPT to your search bar in Google Chrome so you can use it from any page. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So if you go to search bar and type @G, then I can ask any ChatGPT request and it will open ChatGPT and execute this request. If I go to search bar and type @C and then type hey. Again, I see this hey pre-filled in Claude, so I can execute it. In Claude, it shows some message, some warning message. But because it's us setting it up, everything is fine. And the same with Perplexity. If I click New tab, click @P, and then click hey, yeah, we do Perplexity search. While if we don't insert this @symbol, we still can use standard Google search. Okay, so in order to set this up, what you need to do is go to settings in Chrome, then you need to find search engine here and click manage search engines and site search. Here, what you want is find site search section, and you'll see that there is an add button here. When you click add button, it will ask you for name, shortcut, and URL. So let me show you which values you can use for each of those AI services, and I'll also leave them in the video description. So for ChatGPT, name ChatGPT, shortcut is @G. This is what I selected. You can select any shortcut you want. You can type like @ChatGPT, for example, or you can just use shortcut without @. For URL, you need to specify this specific chatgpt.com/q equals %s. %s will be your query, which you type into Chrome search bar. So for Claude, it is quite similar. I just made it @C. Here the URL is claude.ai/new. For Perplexity, I set up a shortcut to be @P, and URL is the one you can see on the screen. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.